Yo, what's up guys? It's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to see a quick review on how to connect your AirPods to your Android device. And this isn't a clickbait, and I did get a lot of good comments on my video on how to connect my Apple Watch to an Android device. For demonstrating this, I have in front of me an Android tablet, and it is running the latest version of Android. What I'm going to do, so here you have my Android device name. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove it, and I'll show you how to connect. So before going through that, I just want to show that this isn't a clickbait. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna connect that there. So let's be right back. Since for people who think my videos are all clickbait, here I have a brand new AirPods. It's completely fine and all working, all lights on. Original AirPods. Then I'm going to connect it directly to my Android tablet right here. So this is basically not a clickbait video, and let's start doing it. So as you can see, it's gonna get connected, and so as you can see, it is connected, and yeah. So you can clearly see that it says it's connected, and it is this device. Just showing you why. I'm about to play a video from my channel just to show you that it is working. Probably in the mic you might not hear it, but the AirPods are playing my video right now. So that's how I can show that this isn't a clickbait, and you can basically connect it to your AirPods. I mean your Android device. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpair this and show you how to pair it from the big. Or you might say, well, it's only for Apple devices. No, the AirPods successfully work with any other Android device. So what I'm gonna do is open my Bluetooth device. I mean my Bluetooth settings, and here on my AirPods I'm going to click and hold and open my AirPods. So it's gonna show right away my AirPods there, and I can click on it to connect, and it will ask, would you want do you want it to connect? So that's basically how you can pair your AirPods to your Android device. It's as simple as that, and yeah, there's no more complication. It's basically just like connecting any other device to your Android device. So that's gotta be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. And make sure you stay subscribed, since I upload one tech video every Sunday. Thanks for watching.